Where is that evil woman? Where is she? Today is the day of reckoning. Your end is today. You don't know me. And you have made the mistake of your life for not asking about me before stepping into my household. I shall kill you and feed your flesh to the birds of the air. You lie. You have no such power. Me, great Abala. I fly by the dead of the night. I am unstoppable. You cannot do anything. Can you catch the air? I ask you, woman. Do your words. Shoot. My Woogie. I will make sure you do not step out of this compound the same way you came in.
Jenny.
I promise you
Jenny,
that.
Jenny, please.
You lie. I'm sorry. Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure? You're not sure. Okay, so what are you saying?
Now I'll take you to the market. Some things, fine clothes, good jewelries.
Even I don't like that when you are doing this, so don't do it again. No, don't do it again. Do not do it again. Okay, fine. Just talk to me without doing it.
Yeah. What if I talk and do it?
Okay. Let's say you're going to carry me. Okay. You want to throw me on them? Okay, so we're good.
Wanyama. Uyebon. Amoma Saro. I really fear for our lives. I don't know why I have these feelings that all is not going to be well with us.
All is going to be well with us. Yes. Obi, do not be afraid. All is going to be well with us. My love for you is profound, so everlasting. Nothing shall separate us.
My love, the pressure I am having from my father, community and relatives are burdens to me. Though the love I have for you have beclouded the traditional implications of visiting you. Should we run away and start a new life somewhere? A life devoid of disturbance. A life devoid of traditional definition.
No. We are not going to run away. We shall stay here and face the challenge. Do not forget the saying. And they said that challenges strengthens relationship, strengthens love. We are meant to be together forever. Nothing shall separate us. I love you.
I love you too.
Azuma, 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 le wale Zuma. Azuma, 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 le wale Zuma. Ndelio, Ndelio, Ndelio. Nwabusoma ochaya nebuka oa. Ndelio, ezenwanyo akalamadu akalamo. When you see her, you will lose control. She came to steal, came to destroy. Wako meturaka, mkeye pome. She's very powerful, very cunning. Onyege nyere anyaka nyinebe. Lekwaya, konabia. Lekwaya, ndeli nabia o. Lekwaya, konacho. Lekwaya, onacho nyeyogejide. She's like a serpent that moves in the day.
I'm surprised and shocked that Mazi Kachi would take the life of his own son, Nduka, just because of Ndeli.
It baffles me still. But truth be told, no man has a right to take the life of anyone, let alone a father taking the life of his son.
But that serves Nduka right. He was going against our tradition and custom. Despite the warning from his father, elders and the entire villagers, Nduka clearly knew the consequences of his actions. Associating with a witch with a negative tendency is an abomination.
No, that is their problem. They will handle it. Let's go. What is it? My king, where do you think you're going?
Home. I am going back to my lovely family. They are waiting for me.
Oh, I thought you have considered me as one already.
Enough. Just stop exercising this your fantasies towards me. I need to return to my wife and my sick daughter. I need to go home. They need me.
Obi, you should also consider that I need you too. I need you to grace my bed. Please, let's go back inside.
Wait. How long have I been here? Because I do not understand. Answer me.
Just a night. And you can attest that is not enough to satisfy my urge.
You and I know that you're lying. Because things have changed. Everything has changed. It was not like this when I came. What happened? Talk to me. Stop. Just stop. Honestly, I hate it that you have a way of messing with my head and my mind. You mess with my head and daily, priestess of old. I just hope I am not treading the wrong path.
No. You are not treading the wrong path. You have done what every father should do to save the life of a child. Let me ask you, do you know how long it took me to walk here? How long it took me to have you in my arms? Do you know?
What about my daughter?
She's well. She is alive. Recovery will just take a process, a gradual process, but she's fine. I want you to understand something. Your time zone is different from my own time zone. You have not done anything wrong. One day here is 3 days in your own zone. So calm down.
Three days.
Please, do not worry. I will make sure I reward you handsomely. You are yet to know more of me, the sweetest part of me. So please, come with me, my king. That
Akam Diocha. May the heavens and the earth bear me witness, for I have not wronged anyone. If there is anyone who wants to hurt my family, and I shall not succeed. Makano bere bunge buwe. He say, that is my declaration upon your household, my friend. He say, may the gods bring life to the words of your mouth. He say, how is she now? Let's go. Mama, I know you are a special child, a fighter. So if there is a time I need that strength, the time is now. I need you to be strong. Your mother needs you. Your father needs you also. They need you. Mama, her father's playmate. You will be fine. It's okay, my friend. Stop crying. Oh, she will be fine. Hi. Hi. It's okay. Oh, Mom. I'm so sorry. How do you feel? The other day your mother came to tell me what happened. I was still at the Nkwedo trying to sell off my farm produce. I'm so sorry. But I'm here now. You'll be fine. Woma, where is your husband? Where is he? I don't know. Jide, my friend, I don't even know who to confide in anymore. My fellow woman, it surprises me that my husband, Madueke, left the hut the moment it happened. And he did not tell you where he was going? No, I don't believe you. Why would I lie with a thing like that? You know I can't lie against my husband. He said that he needed to be at the place he's supposed to be at the moment. So I assumed he went into the forest to fetch some herbs. But till now, I have not heard a word from my husband. This is serious. Biko, help me. If there is anything you can do to help, please help me. My daughter has been asking of her father. And I am tired of lying. Biko, help me.
I will speak to the heads of Omada and Dindinyo to spray words and return back to me in case if anyone sees something. Just don't worry. Your husband will return. Okay. What is this one? Woma, let me run along. I'll come back in the evening to check up on you. May the gods be with you, my friend. Please say it's okay. I'll be back,
Sing it. Namuna kede. Ede marumoko. Namuna kede. Ede marumoko. Onye na kede. Ede marumoko. Onye na kede. Ede marumoko. One man na kede. Ha ha ha. What is it? Are you okay?
No. What happened?
She just slumped.
Mama.
Madam. Mama. Give me some herbs, please.
We don't have any. I can go to the Deka's hut.
Okay.
Yes, let me get.
Just one. Madam. One more.
Run! Run, please! Be fast!
Take this, please.
Mama!
Okay. What is it? A dream? What is it? Calm down. It's a dream.
Yes.
Yes, it's a dream. I say, I think it's time to drive the demons away from this place. Where is my insight? I should have known that some people are not happy with the source of my happiness. Sorry. Let me...
Stop already. Okay. I need to see my daughter. I must see my daughter now. Please.
No. Not at this time. I mean, where will you tell your people you're coming from? At least, wait till evening. You can tell them that you went across the rivers to negotiate business with some people over there. Please.
Stop, please. Do not try to convince me. Do not try to talk me into doing what I do not want to do. I just said I need to see my daughter. My mind is made up, and I must go. I need to go.
Okay. You can go just on one condition.
Which is?
That you will be back to me.
Okay, fine. I promise. I will come back.
Promise again.
I promise. I just need to see my daughter.
Azuma,
Okay.
Azuma, Azuma, lewale Zuma, Azuma, 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 lewale Zuma. Ndelio, Ndelio, Ndelio. Nwabusoma o, Ochaya nebuka oa. Ndelio, Ezenwanyo, Akalamadu, Akalambo.
my friend. This one you are returning from the market this time, is it not too early? You didn't sell these ones?
Woma, you don't know me too well. Yes, me, Njideka, will you leave the market without selling all my farm produce? Huh? How that possible? You know I like money.
Oh, my friend. So why are you having these ones?
Okay, you know Mazio Kachi family?
Of course. They are popular in this community. Who doesn't know them?
Their big father paid for this. And he instructed me to deliver it to his wives personally.
Oh,
Yes.
I see. Any news concerning my husband? It bothers me a lot.
My sister, today, I heard in the market, someone was telling me in the market today, said that she saw your husband leaving the town, entering into Awarawa evil forest. Hey. Shut up. That's what I told you. That is what she told me. Awarawa, I'm telling you, evil forest. Hey! Yeah, Njide, you are my friend, but I do not believe this one. So I am going to pretend that I did not hear it at all. Who do you mean Awarawa evil forest? Please, don't say that again. Oh. Please, don't say it. You say Awarawa evil forest. Njide Naba, I will continue the search. Let me keep looking for my husband. That is what they said. He said him no gabalunku near his maternal home. Sima Awarawa.
One more.
No. I've been waiting for you. Where did you go?
I am here now. I am here, my daughter. And I will never leave your sight again. Come. How do you feel now? Still feel pains?
Absolutely no. The pain just vanished and I feel completely strong.
Your hands, your legs, your back, no pains. Where is your mother?
She went to the market, but don't worry, she'll be back soon.
Come here. You mean you do not feel pains anymore?
No.
Asamo. Come.
Madweke, you are yet to answer me. I demand an explanation. Where have you been for the past 3 market days? You left me to cater for a sick child.
How else do you want me to say this? I mean, what else do you want me to say? I have explained to you quietly, yet you do not want to understand. What do you want me to say?
Perhaps your explanation wasn't good enough.
The same child who is fully healed and standing on her feet? Have you ever asked yourself how came about her healing? You should be grateful to the gods for the move I made to save her.
What move? I agree with you. Thanks to the gods. But someone was here to give her food, medicine and care. Where were you?
You are now calling me a liar. You know what? I am not going to have this conversation with you. Do not forget this. I married you. You did not marry me. Do not forget.
No doubt. You married me, yes. But it pains me that you do not understand how lonely it feels to take care of a sick child. Your child. And you are nowhere to be found.
Okay. Fine. I have understood your complaints. We'll talk about this later, please. Right now I am hungry. I need food. Can you please get me something to eat? If there is food, get me food, please.
And you're again near BC.
Nji,
You came to see me.
Nji, my love.
That's very thoughtful of you.
I brought you some meats.
Okay.
You like it?
Thank you so much.
I knew you needed to prepare your favorite meal, so I decided to bring it.
Thank you.
Nji, I've made it a point of duty to make amends. I promise it will never repeat itself again, please. I had to tell my parents about it, and they promised to give me their full support anytime I'm ready.
Obim, it's all in the past now. So let's stop dwelling in the past. Okay? It's all settled.
Thank you.
As long as you know my stand on the matter.
That's no problem.
Good.
Obim, I love you.
I love you too.
Oh.
Sit. Sit. Obim, let me quickly go and make fire and prepare a delicious meal with this meat. When I am done, you will eat your fingers.
Oh, Abba wine. Jim, this soup is tasty. This is exactly what you know how to do best.
My husband to be. I am happy you are enjoying it.
I like it.
It gives me joy when you speak highly of any meal I prepared. It shows that I learned well from my mother.
Exactly, you learned well.
Hey.
Our people say that if you want to get to the heart of a man, it's through good food like this. Exactly what you just cooked. In fact, you have conquered my stomach. Jim, thank you.
Really? Okay. Well, thank you for the praises.
Let's eat.
Okay.
Let's eat. You know. Seriously.
Well, how come I didn't know all this while?
You didn't know? Let's eat.
Thank you for the praises.
Jim.
Obim. Hi! Bado ya there.
Jim, let me eat this one.
Obim, stop. You brought meat for me. You still want to eat the big part.
Jim, this one.
Not possible, no.
Jim.
Give me, because don't injure me.
Jim.
Nothing for you.
Jim. Jim. Imela, thank you for the meal.
You're welcome.
I will take my leave now.
Okay.
Before I get, thank you for the meal. Before I forget, I'll go to my maternal home, Bikunem, to inform them about my plan.
Okay.
You know I'm serious.
Yes.
Jim, thank you for the meal.
You're welcome. Love you.
It's okay.
My child. Don't tell me it's okay. My child slept in this house.
And he woke up as a corpse and telling me it's okay. It's not okay.
It's okay.
No.
Stop crying. Chuku weta, chuku ewelugo.
My child.
It's okay. It's okay,
So it's true.
It's true.
Alo. Oze mekwa.
My phone slept in this house. I woke up as a corpse.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. Don't worry, I will inform the Onowu about this. And we'll come back to see you.
Don't tell me to stop.
Stop crying. Crying cannot solve this problem. Biko. Gods of our land.
It's okay. Stop. It's okay.
Ihe ọjọọ bụ afọ ọ bụrụ omenala. How long will this death here and there continue? For how long? We must do something. We must do something, and very quickly. Obronka, that is, we have to do something. We have to do something.
Oh no!
It's Zubby.
I'm actually coming to your place.
I hope all is well. Because I'm heading to the palace. The Igwe summoned me as the Onowu concerning the death of Ekemwa's son.
It is the same matter I'm coming to discuss with you. Because our people will not continue to suffer or die like ants. I hear rumors, it's flying everywhere, that the death is linked to that old witch that was banished to the Awalawa forest. See, she's even practicing dark magic with our people. And she need to pay for it.
She deserves it.
Oh.
It's Zubby. She deserves it. Because the father of that young man was not in support of the marriage at the first time. Because of this magic, useless practices. But she kept pushing. Until what happened. That is just a drastic measure. Who knows what would have happened if that marriage had their children?
Enough is enough, oh no. She must serve the sentence.
Yeah, okay. Tambragaba, I thought you said you are going with me.
No, I was coming to your house.
Okay, I will see you later in the day.
It's all right.
Let me see you.
Hey. Oh, Mom. Take it. You like it?
Very sweet.
Have you forgotten it's from the professional hand of Dingo Bianca? His wine is always sweet and natural. It has never had a sour taste.
I'm enjoying it.
It's meat. I'm happy you like it. Do you like the meat? You
I like it.
You see, I brought this from my Angiga. I have many of it. But I've told you to come and take as many as you want. But you have not come now.
No,
you like it?
I will take some white going.
How many will you take?
I will take all. So waiting. Obin. So you are telling me now that if you marry me, that you're going to take good care of me?
You are going to enjoy me, Amechi. You will enjoy me.
Yeah, sure.
There is this proverbs that people say, let's keep going to the farm till the crops mature. So calm down. You will enjoy me.
No, you man. No. People can change any time,
Oh, you like it? You like it? Give me. Take. No, it's in mine. Let me get it.
Enyim, kedu kisi akwado?
How are you preparing for your traditional marriage?
Ija na-aga ka ije mmeri. Yes. Amechi is a very nice man.
Hey.
I am telling you, I am very, very lucky.
Chai.
Amechi is very caring, loving. I'm telling you, you need to see the way he pampers me anytime he visits.
You don't mean it.
I am telling you, my sister.
Hi. Njide, my friend, honestly, I am happy for you. You are indeed lucky.
Thank you.
Unlike me, Madweki, my husband, he keeps behaving as he likes. And I don't even know what to call this sudden behavior of his. Anyways, I am here for you to assist you in anything you want to get your day perfect. Even if you want me to fetch firewood for you, I will help you do that. Even if you want me to serve your guest on the day of your dowry rite, I will do it. I will assist you with anything you want.
Hey, my friend, you're such a sweet soul.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Woma. Otako denjo. Ogaderere mma. Don't worry. Your husband will change.
You see.
Believe me.
You see. It's the Adamobi. Thank you. But I'm really happy for you to have such a caring man. Thank you. It's not easy.
Hey, Mama. My child. Hey. Oh, my child. Hello, Emma.
Why is okay? You have money enough. I know how you feel. I know how painful it is to lose a son. May the gods give you heart to bear it. They will have assured you a farmland. Yes, where you live farm and take care of yourself and your family. I promise to help you anytime you need my help.
Mazibe, thank you so much. Thank you for your support during my child's funeral. May the gods of our land reward you sevenfold.
That is nothing. Your late husband was a good friend of mine. And I will not be alive. Watch you suffer. Let me know when you are in need of anything.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Greet your wives for me.
All right. Please, stop crying, eh? Stop crying. Please.
When will I go to the farm with you if you have given us a land to cultivate? The gods of our land. Hello, Memo.
Mazibe, this wine is fresh and sweet. Who tapped it? I know it's that Lingua from Ezowele.
How did you know? I sent my son this morning to go and buy it. And he used his bicycle to the next community. But before I closed my eyes and opened, he has gone and come back.
Please, you do me one favor. As I'm going back, I will take some and give to my wife. I want her to have a taste of this wine.
That will not be a problem.
Thank you.
Azubuike, my good friend. I will give you some to give your wife.
It's all right. But I don't want it much, so that my wife will not get drunk.
Are you not the one demanding for palm wine that you give to your wife?
But I told him not call it too much. It's okay. Respect. That is by the way. I want to know the outcome of the meeting at the palace.
Yeah, Zubike. That meeting was a serious one, that lasted for some hours. Matters arising were raised and was treated one after the other. But to summarize it all, our Igwe said all borders should be tightened to prevent enemies or intruders to have free access to our community.
Is that all? What about the fortification of airspace?
Yes, it was mentioned also. There will be a sacrifice at the entrance of this kingdom by Agotrumbe. And we all believed that after that sacrifice, every sons and daughters of this kingdom will be protected against every spiritual attack.
This is what I want to hear. Because the death here in our community is becoming too much and it's unnecessary. They need to do something to stop it.
The meeting went southward. You see this palm wine you mention of, Enjoy yourself.
Thank you.
Even if this one finish, I still have the access. All money I can for buy beer. Sorrow macho I not on number. Your money is so Dutch when
Oh, my king. Where are you? My house is looking so lonely already because of your absence. Why did you not come like you promised? You're so sweet. You're so sweet. The last time we were together, you were so sweet. What do I do now? What do I do? Yes. I think I know what to do. I must find you at all costs. I must bring you to myself to satisfy this urge. Yes. Yes.
Oh, Maricham, look pretty. You're growing every day.
Thank you.
If I make money, I'll buy you another bit.
Dinjideka, what's happened to your leg?
Oh, a thorn gave me a cut in the bush when I was plucking vegetables to take to the market. Don't know.
Is it painful?
Yes, but it's fine.
Please,
Chimo!
don't tell anyone about this.
Mama! How did you do this?
I don't even know. I just discovered I can do weird things and also impossible things. But please don't tell anyone about this, especially the Igwe. My banish me from this kingdom thinking I'm a witch, not knowing it's a gift from the gods.
Chineke, I am healed. Mama, is your mother where?
Azuma le wale zuma, azuma, azuma, azuma le wale zuma. Ndelio, ndelio, ndelio. Nwabu soma o chaya nebuka oa. Ndelio. Ezenwanyo akalamadu akalamo. When you see her, you will lose control. She came to steal, came to destroy. Wako meturaka, mkeye pome. She's very powerful, very cunning. Onyege nyere anyaka nyinebe. Lekwaya, konabia. Lekwaya. She's like a serpent that moves in the day. Her heart is evil, she's filled with vengeance. Obiadinjo manochi dianiru. Ofubo china beyabu kwa uchichiato. She's very powerful and very cunning. Onyege nyere niaka hinebe. Lekwaya, onabia. Lekwaya, mbeli nadia o. Lekwaya, konacho. Lekwaya, onacho nyogejide.
The sun is too harsh. And I can see you're working really hard.
Hey, Wayoma. Every man should work hard. But I've not seen someone like you in this community before.
You must be very thirsty. I have water here to quench your thirst.
Hey.
Can you please give me the honor? Come with me to the shed over there and take some water.
Hi, Chai. Thank you very much. You're a caring creature. Beautiful woman. Calm. Soft-spoken. Your mother raised you well. But if I may ask, are you from here?
First of all, thank you for all the compliments. Funny enough, I don't even know when I exhibit those characters. But it's because this is who I am. I am not from this community. I am from the neighboring community.
I said it. A beautiful woman like this from here? Oh, why, Oma?
Can you please come with me?
No, let me finish this, just this part. Then I will decide if I will go with you. Just give me some time.
Tomorrow is another day. You can actually finish this tomorrow.
Hey.
Please.
Hey.
Leave the song for now.
Hey.
Azuma, 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 lewale Zuma, Azuma, 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 lewale Zuma. Ndelio, 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 Nwabusoma o chaya nebuka oa. Ndelio, Ezenwanyo akalamadu akalamo. When you see her, you will lose control. She came to steal, came to destroy. Wako meturaka, nkeye pome. She's very powerful.
What is life? Thank you. Thank you. You've not told me your name.
My name is Ndeli.
Hey. Daily. Early morning. Beautiful.
And what is your own name?
My name is Amechi. Amechi. Amechi.
Thank you. You must be hungry. Please, I need you to follow me to my house. I make you a special meal to eat.
No problem. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Her heart is evil, she's filled with vengeance. Obiadinjo manochi dianiru. Ofubo china beyabu kwa uchichiato. She's very powerful and very cunning. Onyege nyere niaka inebe. Lekwaya, onadia, lekwaya. Ndeli nadia o. Lekwaya, konacho, lekwaya. Onacho nyoge jide. Lekwaya, konabia, lekwaya. Ndeli nadia, lekwaya. Konacho, lekwaya.
Is your place still far?
My hut is nearby. Look. If not for those trees, you should be seeing the roof of my hut from here.
Adam.
I know you are hungry.
Exactly, I'm hungry.
As soon as we get to my hut, I shall make you take a cold bath.
No.
After which, I will make you a good meal.
As though you know my mind. Imela, thank you.
And after that, and after me, you shall sleep. Shall we go now?
Let's go. Hey.
Come.
Thank you.
Obim, Amechi. Where is Amechi? Amechi!
Amechi, Biko, come out, oh. I am not in the mood for this your hide and seek game. The sun is too hot. Come out.
Amechi! Amechi!
What is it?
Amechi!
Where could he be? He's not even here. Where is Amechi? What is going on?
Amechi! Obim!
Wayoma. Imela, oh. Thank you. I'll be going. Let me go, okay?
No. You can't go like that. You just finished eating.
I know.
At least, relax yourself. It looks as if I am chasing you out of my house. See, I treat people with love and care and respect. And you can be exceptional. At least you just finished eating. Go inside and have some rest. Let the food digest. By the time you wake up, you'll be strong for a journey. What do you think?
No problem. Let me go inside. I even need to sleep.
Perfect. The bed is already made. It's all regret.
You're so beautiful. You're caring. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Don't make me go emotional. I feel so emotional when people as handsome as you are is complimenting my beauty and my skills.
She's like a serpent that moves in the day. Her heart is evil, she's filled with vengeance.
Where is Amechi? I've looked for him everywhere. I even went to his farm and he was not there. What is going on? What is happening? I asked his neighbors and they said they did not see him. Hey, Chimu. What's happening?
Madeke, Uhuruchioma.
Uhuruchioma, how are you? You look disturbed. Is everything okay?
I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
What is it?
I've been searching for Amechi everywhere. I went to his farm, he's not there. To his house, he's not there. I've been looking for him everywhere. I am worried.
Is that why you're worried?
Yes, no.
You do not have to, okay? Do not worry yourself. Wherever he is, he will definitely return to you. Young men of these days, we young men, it is possible he's hanging out somewhere with friends. So go home and rest.
Okay,
relax, he'll be home soon.
Thank you. Greet my little friend Wama for me.
It's about that.
Bye-bye.
Oh.
Welcome, Mom.
Hi.
I have never felt this way in a very long time.
Oh. Darling, you won't wait till it's full moon before you feel this way again. I'll always fill in that gap. Is anyone in this compound?
It is just you and I, and the four walls of my heart.
Oh my God. I've become them. You want it?
Is anything the problem? Why were you screaming my name as if you came here to fight me?
Amechi, I don't understand. What's going on? I came here yesterday looking for you. I knocked and knocked, but you are not in. Neither were you at the farm.
Listen, if you're here to argue with me, I'll go back to sleep, please.
Really? You want to go back to sleep? What did you do with your night? I knew something is wrong somewhere. My instincts are telling me something, but I can't figure it out yet. Amechi.
Yes.
When are you coming to see my people?
That one has to be on hold for now. Till further notice, please.
Wait! Amechi, I don't understand. Wait, Amechi, you want to humiliate me?
Till further notice.
Amechi! 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 Hey, Chimo! Hey, Amechi! I knew something is wrong somewhere. Hey, Amechi, what did I do? Why the change of attitude, Amechi? Amechi will fight for me. Amechi! Amechi!
She came to steal, came to destroy.
Out of my way, Ndeli. Stay away from my path. I said, stay away from me. Stay away from me. Listen, this territory is out of bounds to you. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten how, because of your evil practices, Igwe Nwokongembo banished you from this kingdom?
What are you doing here? How will you return?
Interest. Because I find something of interest that continually draw me into a kingdom that I have sworn never to step my foot upon. And that interest is you.
You lie. That interest can never be me. Stay away from me, because I will not let you bewitch me. Just the same way you did to other men who you got into your web. You will not do that.
Shape rumors. What other lies will the maidens of this kingdom spread against me? Because my beauty radiates like a sun ray that makes their men to quiver at the sight of me. I trust you will never join them in that rumor.
Stay away from me. Out of my way.
Keep to your word, Madeke. When the little bird, Wanza, overfilled himself, he challenges his creator in a wrestling match. I ask, are you actually asking me to leave your side?
Yes. Because I have somewhere to go. Stay away.
My love, what went wrong? What went wrong? Suddenly, you now grow cold towards me. Something is wrong somewhere. I can never be defeated. I need you.
I forbid you from calling me such endearing word. I am a married man. I am married to a woman. And I need you to stop flirting around me. You have to stop.
Okay. Before you go, I have a word. Just only for your ears. Have you forgotten how you graced my bed? The sound, the moan, how you felt?
Stay away from me.
Stay away from me!
I will not warn you again.
Madeke! I will never be defeated. Nobody can stop me from having you. I promise you that.
I need you to scratch my back. It feels itchy. Please.
Are you sure you want just scratch? Dim, you sound so polite. Is there more to it? It's a time. What?
What did you just say?
Onye nwe. It's a time. It's a time. Yeah.
Okay, forget.
Okay,
forget.
But you will like it.
Of course I will.
Don't you like it?
Come on, come save me. Where is one more?
One ma went to the village square to play with her friends.
In that case, I think we should go inside and continue this.
Oh, babe, stop it!
Let us go.
Stop it!
Where is the food? Huh? And please double the portion. You know where we're coming from. Asamo. Aye.
This looks delicious.
Of course it is.
Obim, come and sit here and enjoy the yam with me.
My love, start first, then I will join you. I have to tidy up the room. Oh, and I also have a surprise for you.
You have a surprise for me?
And Nadia.
I cannot wait.
Obim, enjoy your food, though.
I love it. I love it. Asamo. Omalitam. How did you even come up with this? Honestly, it surprises me. Oh, you want to feed me? Should I feed you? Let me feed you.
Ogeni, what is the meaning of this? What are you doing in my house? Madeke, what is she doing here?
Cello. Cello.
His name Cello?
Cello.
I should wait.
Yes.
Allow me to devour her.
Cello, be calm.
Who are you?
What are you doing here? How did you get in here?
What is wrong with you? She just said you were enjoying what I was saying to you. I should continue this.
Will you shut up? Shut up and begin to explain how you got into my compound. What is this? I said that because I thought it was my wife. I didn't know it. It was you. And what gave you the boldness to touch me? Hi. Gods of my ancestors, where are you? You people should come before I commit murder. Just leave.
Wait.
Go.
Wait. Let me welcome you as my fellow woman. Wait for me. Oh!
Hey! Hey!
Listen to me. If you know what is good for you, you have to leave now. Because you will regret it. If you do not leave, you will regret it.
You know, I have missed you.
Do not touch me.
Okay. I will go. I shall be waiting for you in my home.
Do not wait for me.
I love you.
Where is she?
Don't tell me to relax.
Relax.
Where is she?
She left.
She left?
Relax. Let me deal with her.
Calm down.
Woman to woman.
Calm down, please. Calm down.
She has left.
She's very powerful.
And no fear! No, you would have stayed now. Why did you run? Why do you have to run? You want to take my husband away from me?
Don't worry.
Why tell him all?
She's like a serpent that moves in the day. Her heart is evil, she's filled with vengeance.
Protect your home, oh. Hold your husband very well. I know why I'm sounding like this. Let him explain to you who the strange woman is. How can a strange woman walk into my compound, and play such a game? What is possible? I asked. But my husband denied it, saying it could be a coincidence that a strange woman walked into my compound. A strange woman? My sister, there is something your husband is not telling you. Something like what? If he wants to take another wife, let him come out clean and declare it. Instead of doing like this. Another wife.
Why did it take you so long to visit? Did you not know that I should be missing you?
My wife has become a thorn on my flesh. She has learned to monitor my movements. She wants to know everything about it. And I've told her that I will do something drastic if she does not stop.
It's fine. You are here now. And I will be having you all to myself for a very long time before she realizes it.
I came prepared. Let us go inside.
How are you? Fine. Why are you sweating like this? Where is your father?
He went out a while ago.
Okay. Did he tell you where he was going? Madam, did he mention where he was going?
No,
in case we look for him.
No. He just went out without telling me anything.
Oh, okay. Get me water to drink.
Okay.
There's no water here.
Mama, go to the kitchen and get me water. Oh? Bia? Is it not you? Hey, it is you, the strange woman at my hut. Oria.
Yes, it is you. It is me. Do you have any problem with me? Or do you want to fight me?
My husband is missing. He's been missing for the past 2 market days. Do you know where he is?
Anyways, your husband is a grown man. And he is exactly where he's supposed to be, where he found peace.
If I may ask, strange woman, where is this place he found peace? Where is my husband?
My place, of course. Gracing my bed. Of course. I know how to satisfy him sexually very well.
You have till nightfall to return my husband. I repeat, you have till nightfall to return Madueke. Else,
what will you do? I ask. And I ask again. What will you do?
I will. I will descend.
You would do nothing.
I will descend madly on you.
You would do
Imarum.
I have him.
You don't know me.
I have him already.
Don't let me come for you.
Come on, get out.
Do not let me come for you. You will not like me. I am not scared of this. I am not scared of this. And what you are made of. But you will see the other side of me.
Shoot.
Nakuya. Chaka Holum. Madueke is my husband.
even the gods of this land recognize him as my husband. You cannot take him away from me. Not even anything like you. Try it. Try me. Try me. I dare you to try me. Do your worst. I dare you. You straight woman. Try me.
I'm very cunning. Daily Nadia oh le kwaya konacho le kwaya onacho nyogejide le kwaya kona bia
Hey!
Calm down. Where are you going with cutlass?
I go on Africa.
Hey,
Snake is on the roof.
Wait.
Okay,
is that one in Africa?
okay.
What is going on? What is happening? I've not seen you in this kind of mood before.
My husband is missing again.
Hey!
And that witch of a woman had the boldness to say that she's harboring my husband.
You know what?
She looked me in the face and said that I cannot do anything. Today, I want to show her that I'm the daughter of the great hunter. Wham! I will do something.
That means this is war.
War! Yes! War! She wanted the war. She started it. I am glad to fight.
Give it to her.
Don't kill anybody! I should come!
I know you thought I could not cook, right? No. Asam, do not touch anything. I'll take care of it. Just watch me cook. Please.
Okay. The question is, do you love preparing meal for your family?
Honestly, this is one thing I dislike a lot. Yes. I do not cook. I mean, why should I cook when my wife is at home, vibrant and alive? Even if she's going out, she cooks before leaving the house. If she does not cook, the house will wait for her. Everything will wait for her. My duty is to provide, not to cook. So, I do not do it.
So, why are you doing this for us?
Maybe because you are special. Yes. You know you are special. I want to pamper you. I want to treat you like a child. I want to make sure you remain fresh all the days of your life. I do not want you to stain your skin. In fact, the level of love I have for you, I can't even explain it. I do not know where to start. I mean, that brings me to asking this question again. What have you done to me? What did you give me?
Purely affection. I only reciprocate the energy I get. You know, I have loved a man like this before, who pampers me, took care of me, loved me, gave me everything love could give. But something wrong happened.
What happened?
He was poisoned by his own father.
Poisoned by his own father.
And the chapter of a man who would have bettered a generation from Chukwokike Obiama was closed.
Aro. Abomination. Enough of this sad story, please. Your mood has changed already. Let us concentrate on the food. Okay? Lest I forget. My daughter has been displaying some supernatural abilities since her healing. Yes.
Abilities like?
Healing abilities.
Maybe her inherited gift was activated through the supernatural powers I used in healing her.
Tell me more about it.
The meal. Let's go ahead with me.
Oh. Fine. Okay. Do not worry. Food will be ready soon. I'll make sure of that. Hey.
Where is that evil woman? Where is she? Today is the day of reckoning. Your end is today. You don't know me. And you have made the mistake of your life for not asking about me before stepping into my household. I shall kill you and feed your flesh to the birds of the air. You lie. You have no such power. Me, great Awala. I fly by the dead of the night. I am unstoppable. You cannot do anything. Can you catch the air? I asked you, woman. Do your words. Shoot. My boogie. I will make sure you do not step out of this compound the same way you came in.
Deli.
I promise you
Deli,
that.
please. Deli, please.
You lie. Where are you? You cannot catch me. I promise you. You lie! You lie, Deli! For I will kill you! Who are you? Come out! Come out! Let's do it! Woman to woman! In Abuala! Who are you? I warn you! Stay away from my husband! Stay away from my household! It is not over until it's over. Tomorrow I shall hunt again. Makananu wo joso. Abaya jewe. Dali, you do not know me. I am Uwama, the fearless daughter of a great hunter. I will end you. Did you listen? You are shameless. You are so shameless.
I know.
Let us go home.
Go where?
Home.
I am not going anywhere with you. Are you not scared? Are you not afraid? He just shot at her and she disappeared. That should have instilled fear in you. Listen, you have to go home, okay? I will stay back and beg on your behalf. I need to talk to her because she would have destroyed you if not for me.
Never.
Just go home.
Never!
I
did not come all the way to this evil forest just to go home without you. You will come home with me.
I am not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere with you. Okay? Just go home. I need to beg her for your sake. You do not know what you have done. She would have just destroyed you. Do you not? Just go. Leave. She saved our daughter for crying out loud. Go home. You did not come here with me, so you go without me.
My daughter, I came as soon as I got your message.
Another woman wants to steal my husband away from me. What? An evil woman for that matter.
Nema, what's going on again? What kind of rubbish is this? Eh? Wait. That husband of yours, is he still with his right senses? What is wrong with him? Or is it a manipulation thing? Because this is confusing.
I don't know. I don't know. I don't remember sending my husband to her hut. I don't even know what took him there in the first place.
What is wrong with him?
I don't even know what to make of this.
What is wrong with men? What is
Good
wrong?
morning.
Mamu. Look at you. Hey, Awalichom. Hey, this is you. Look at him. Hey, come here. How are you doing now?
Fine.
You're fine, eh? I can see you're fine. Eh? What did you give for me? Don't let her hear it all. What did you give for me? Eh? What did you give for me?
Woma, my own husband to be has changed. He's no longer talking about our marriage plans again.
Oh, okay.
Are you serious? I am serious. He placed everything on hold till further notice. I don't know what happened.
Are you sure you didn't wrong him in any way?
No.
Like he married a yojo?
At all, the way he married.
Just like that?
Just like that.
It is in Delhi. Nne, I am sure Ndeli is responsible for our problems.
Otanla digi van. You tired, Roma? I don't think so. No, I don't think so, woman. It can be a woman. I know Amechi can be silly at times, but he won't let a woman come between us. What is possible?
Okay.
What are you doing here? I should be the one asking you. What are you doing here? Huh? Your people are there looking for you and you're here? Wait. You fetched this firewood for her. You should be ashamed of yourself.
Wait. He just came out from my heart. And this is what you have to say.
You said your heart. I think you're stupid. What is that you're packing? She's sweet. What? Oh, you want to fight me? You want to fight me because of what you're doing? Hey! Oh! Daddy, you want me to kill you? Do you want me to end your life? I enjoyed it.
Nobody should kill you.
Ndeli is mine and mine alone. I enjoyed it. You have no right to be here. Ndeli! You enjoyed what? Ndeli! Ndemo! Ndemo!
Enough!
Nemo.
Don't kill each other.
Nemo.
Please stop fighting.
Ndeli, you have to choose between me and that man. He cannot be here. I cannot do that. You have to send him away. Wait, let me ask you. What does this man do for you that I have not done or cannot do? Eh? Does he do it better than me? You have confirmed it with me that I am good at what I do. Why bring in another man? This cannot happen. I cannot take it. You have to send him away. What is this?
Quiet.
I cannot share you with any man.
Quiet. I said quiet. He is going nowhere. As a matter of fact, nobody is leaving. Both of you gives me different touch. So please save this jealousy of yours and sit down here in the house. Sit.
I see. Then you watch me leave. Because I cannot share you with another man.
Madeke, where is your loyalty? I ask you, where is your loyalty? Have you forgotten? If not because of me, your daughter would have been gone by now. What is wrong with you? Sit down here and remain with me. You are going nowhere. Madeke! Madeke! Come back here!
Azuma le wale zumba, azuma, azuma, azuma le wale.
Nam, where did you go? I've been looking for you. Don't leave me again.
I'm sorry. Please. I am deeply sorry.
I know.
Wanted to put you there. I'm watching. Hey, Obia, cheater. Cheater. Don't cheat me. I'm watching you, this little girl. Obia. You opening your hand, don't let me see it. Oh.
Mama, if I open my hand, you'll not be seen.
Yeah, we seen it. Yeah, knowing where you put and where you didn't put.
I won.
You won again. Hi, this girl. You won me again for the second time. Who taught you how to play this game?
Nobody, Mama. I practice alone and I also practice with my friends. Sometimes I even win, Mama.
Anyway, I'm not even surprised though, because my mother, when she was alive, she used to be the best player in the entire village. Nobody would be able to beat her. At all.
Mama, you didn't finish that one. You're cheating.
I'm not cheating now.
You're cheating. You will start again.
No, we are restarting the game now.
No! You cheated. And start again. Mama, but this year is not fair because I won you. You now want to restart the game. Let's go.
No, you have won that one now. Let's start another one now.
Okay, I'll start. I will win you this time.
But
never. If you win, I will fetch for you snails.
You fetch snail for me? Hey, good. Yeah, I love the sound of that.
But if I win, you will take me with you.
I will take you to my place.
Yes.
Hey.
And I will stay for 4 market days. And I'll be serving my favorite meals.
Ezioku. Hey, bring it on. Come my way, let me see. See, I'm not called your mother's mother for nothing. Okay. Whatever that I will see sitting down, even if you stand on top of the highest iroko tree, you will never see it. Play, let's see. Hey. Let me be seeing your hand. You opening your hand, this little girl.
Whenever.
Madeke, is this you?
I do not understand. It's me.
Hey, we thank the gods for preserving your life. We prayed and looked for you everywhere while you are still missing. Yes, we even thought that the wild animals might have harmed you inside the bush. Little did we know that you were enjoying yourself in the arms of another woman.
Will you shut up? Shut up and learn to mind your business. Do not involve yourself in my affairs. Speak only when you are asked to. Meanwhile, that is not why I'm here. I actually came to tell you
some men will never change. Yes! You see this thing between your legs? You men, you people can never stay one place. You see my Amechi, my husband to be, he's a very special man. A different man, no. There are some things you can't find him doing. There's some people. No, he can never.
Special man indeed. Have you seen why you are foolish? Have you seen the reason you are foolish and you will remain foolish for the rest of your life?
Because you are a fool. I want to tell you something. You see Amechi? Amechi's redemption is far and impossible. I repeat, I said Amechi's redemption is very far and impossible. The same Amechi who has been trapped in the mountainous hips of the same woman. Before Amechi realizes himself, he would have been dead and forgotten. Listen, a fly that refuses to heed advice follows the corpse to the grave. You heard me.
Ekochala, are you done? Please, Madeke, don't you ever speak of my man in that manner again. Enoria, respect him, he's a special man.
Oh.
Yes, you heard me.
A special man indeed. He is very special. I actually came to tell you where you can find Amechi, but at this point, I will keep my mouth shut. I will let him rot there because you are foolish.
Impossible. Impossible. My own Amechi. Onya ashiri. Ana akueri. Please, woman, my friend. Please, help me talk to your husband to forgive me. I've begged him to forgive me, but he refused. Please, talk to him. You are his wife.
Yeah, Enough. I can't.
You acted as one without a dent before my husband, knowing that we share similar problems. And what were you thinking? That alone made me question the level of our friendship. Your husband is well cultured and mannered. And mine is ill-mannered and cursed. Njidebiko, just allow me to go. Oh?
I'm so sorry, my friend. Please. Please forgive me. Amechi deceived me. He made me believe that he's a good man, he's innocent, he's special and all that. Please forgive me. Please talk to your husband. I want to go and find him. Let him help me look for him, please. Please, forgive me.
You want to go and find who? As you can see, I was heading somewhere before you stopped me. Let me go and take care of my child.
Mba, also go. Please. Also mo woma biko.
Azuma, azuma, azuma le wale zuma. Azuma, azuma, azuma le wale zuma. Ndelio, ndelio, ndelio. Nwabusoma o chaya nebuka oa. Ndelio. Ezenwanyo akalamadu akalamo. When you see her, you will lose control. She came to steal, came to destroy.
Biamokem. You are too slow to my liking. When are you going to be done with this work?
As a one, I'll soon be done. The work is much. As you can see, it's big.
I hate lazy men. That reminds me. When will you be going to see your woman?
My woman? Nde, I don't have another woman if not only you. You're my woman.
Please, do not come close to me.
Nde.
I do not want to see you in this house by the time I return. I need a fresh man to refresh.
Yeah, I'm not fresh.
Very cunning.
Nde. I'm not fresh again. Hey. Hey.
Let me select this one and bring this one out first before we go to shoot so that we'll be able to see. It will be now easier for us to do.
You again? What are you doing here? Why are you in my home?
I am not here for you. I am here to take the love of my life, Madeke. And it might interest you to know that I'm in my heat period. And I need Madeke to satisfy my urge. So stay out of my way right now.
How dare you? How dare you walk into your fellow woman's compound? Demanding her own husband, her traditionally married husband, to take him away to satisfy your stupid urge. Are you insane? Have you lost it?
Madeke! Madeke! I know you are in there. Please come out, my love.
Will you stop it right there?
Now go in there, bring out the love of my life for me to go back home and satisfy my urge.
You
right
lie.
Now.
You lie, woman. I am a woman like you. Let's do it woman to woman.
Yes.
Madeke is my husband and my alone. I don't fear things like you. Idrese, do not push me. I'm going to descend madly on you.
Madeke!
Madogene! Madogene! I am Uwama, the fearless daughter of Echidimi.
Yes.
Do not try me.
You do not know who you are messing with. Out of my way right now.
Yes. He is my husband. Fela Demegu, you do have no shame. You disgust me.
Shameless thing.
My child, it is time to finish the work I couldn't do in my time. The time is now to take revenge. Go and finish the wish, for it is your destiny to set your family and the community free. Go. Go, go, my child, go.
If you do not stay away from me right now, for me to go in there, take the love of my life, and go out there to satisfy my urge, I shall destroy you right now.
Okay, go.
Go in if you can.
Go in if you can. In Apudiala.
I have been calm and merciful because of this little child. And it is out of my benevolence that I gave her the second life to live. Do not make me regret it and snake life out of her right now.
You lie. You are not the one who gave me a second chance.
Yes.
My chi did. I will destroy you here if you don't leave this minute. I haven't forgotten what you did to me many years ago.
You? I know you. Anwe Yago.
Ne, did you hear that? She just addressed my child as Anwe Yago.
Oh, it's now clear. Yes. When my mother was dying, she told me she would come back to avenge her death. This witch here killed my mother. You remember when you were little? She died in a fire outbreak. We ran there to see her. Before she gave up, you remember what she said? Can you remember what she told you? Can you remember what she said?
No, yes, I remember. In her words, I will come back to revenge my death.
Yes, that's true. That's true. That means she's here with us. Yes, through your daughter, my granddaughter.
So this witch is still alive after these years?
Yes. I have lived for so many generations. Do not be deceived with the young and beautiful face you see here. I am immortal and indestructible.
You lie again. You have been sucking the blood of the innocent men just to renew your old age. And you want to do the same with my father. It will never work. Not why I'm here. Your time is near.
Okay.
Hey, hey. No problems. I shall be back. And when I return, I shall destroy you. The battle line has been drawn.
The Savior is coming to cleanse the land. The gods are wise, Ogenedu Arumere ifemelanio Akuko inafu obidolubo Afufani nata sins of the past. But I know the gods are wise. The Savior is coming to save us all. She will heal the land. Ifegadima.
Where have you been? I've searched for you everywhere in this village. I even went to Udideka's hut to see if you are there. But you were nowhere to be found.
Mother, you worry too much. I got things under control.
One more again. Why are you dressed like this? What happened?
Mama, it is time. My time has come for me to deliver the people of this kingdom from the hands of the evildoers. It's an assignment I must accomplish.
Mama, you are my only child that I love so much. I want you as that child I will always love to carry. Your innocence is precious to me. I do not wish to lose you to this huge responsibility.
Don't worry, Mama. The gods have chosen me, and they will always protect me. Ajahn, I knew that this would be your takeoff point when you fly into the dark to torment the people of Ibena Sato. So I decided to come first and pin you. Why are you bent on tormenting my people? What wrong have they done to you? Why?
Yago. The sky is too wide for every bird. Stay away from me, or you will leave me with no option than to unleash the surrogate dance, the spirit dance.
Then you have me to contend with. Because with everything I hold, I will protect my people, no matter what it costs me.
Mind you, this battle will cost you your head, just like I did so many generations ago.
We will see how it ends.
Free me right now, you little Oshin! Free me right now!
Unless you swear by the gods, you will never, ever harm my people again.
Never. Okay. Fine. I agree.
Do not touch the tail of a lion. Modindu, Monwao.
Yago! You have me to contend with in this community. You can never be a stumbling block to my mission.
Azuma, 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 Lewale Zuma. Ndelio, Ndelio, Ndelio. Nwabusoma o, Ochaya nebuka oa. Ndelio. Ezenwanyo, akalamadu, akalamo. When you see her, you will lose control. She can't steal,
This little witch, this little girl has tormented me enough. I need to end her. I can't even end her. Because she seems to be protected by some special beings. Look at me.
She's like a serpent that moves in the day.
My body is beginning to shrink and peel off. She has practically stopped me from refreshing my blood. The blood of the innocent men in this community.
You have done marvelously well, young man. This is your reward.
Great woman, all this for me?
Yes. And more will come if you continue to do well.
Hey! Gods of our land, I thank you. Great woman, to be sincere with you, I really appreciate this your kind gesture. And you know what? Now that I've discovered how you used to like it, I promise you, the next time I will come, I will perform more than expected. Thank you. I really appreciate it.
You might leave now.
Hey! Thank you.
You were supposed to live for 65 years on earth, according to your chief. But I have taken it away from you to refresh myself. I will continue to refresh my blood with that of the innocents. I live from generation to generation.
This little girl is after my life. If this continues, I am going to be more shrinked, weak, old, and die off in this community. I need to do something. I need to move. And I need to do that as far, as fast as possible. I need to go far away. Through the high hills. I need to join some other force to be able to save myself. This generation cannot be my end. I need to keep living. I need blood. I need to move.
What do you try here? Else I finish you up instantly. Daily. Very cunning and devilish creature. You swore to render the men of this community useless, and I was raised to protect them from forces like you. You cannot harm them.
You. I know it's you. And we here go. Off my way. What are you doing here right now?
To settle our age-long scores. You shall suffer even more. You shall die.
Age-long scores. Whatever that happened between us happened many generations ago. I thought you had forgiven me.
Forgiveness is of the gods, when they are appeased with blood and liquor. I do not forget, and we Yago does not forget. I breed vengeance.
Vengeance. The scars of so many centuries ago. I thought we have settled, and we Yago. Take that mirror off my face! Take that mirror off my face!
Now I know your weak point. The perceived mighty has fallen. Who would believe Dandale is now at my knees? Long ago, you touched my house in the dead hours of the night and let it burn till life was sniffed out of me. Since then, my soul never rested.
Coward! I still remember vividly. And it was fun watching you cry right in that fire where you were burned into ashes. 2 hours. kill me. I know you cannot. And Yago, you cannot. Because your kind heart is your weak point.
We're built differently. Yes. But for me to spare your life, you must plead for me. Go ahead. Beg.
Never. Never. That will be over my dead body. Go ahead. Kill me if you can.
Daily, why are you committing all these atrocities? Why are you taking advantage of all these helpless people?
Onye na-achọ gị okwu, ọ na-achọkwa m okwu. Onye na-achọ gị okwu, ọkụ ga-agbagbukwa ya. Onye na-achọ gị okwu, Chukwu ga-akpọ ya okwu. Onye na-achọkwa gị.
Now this mango is as sweet as you are.
You know how much I love eating mangoes.
Yeah.
So whenever you come to the house, to my house, you will eat mango.
It's as sweet and succulent as you are.
So what do you want to do? You want to touch me? Don't do it.
Nah, you don't dare.
No, please come. Are you not the daughter of Nkemjika?
I am.
Why is your face like this? I know Nkemjika's family as a well-respected family in this our community. Why these cold greetings? Your face shows uncertainty.
Nah, you do. Mazaka Jobi just lost his wife and unborn child. I am just coming back from his house. The elders and the king of our land should find out what is wrong in our land.
Lost his wife with the child. Hey! Gods of our land. Hey!
Fear not, my elder. The prayers of this community has been answered by the gods. A winch is responsible for the calamities happening in this community. In few days, the winch will be exposed. The gods have spoken. The gods have spoken.
Ndeli wayamosu, 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 ndeli wayamosu. Ndeli wayamosu, 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 ndeli wayamosu.
Ndeli, by the authority given to me by the king of this our community, I hereby banish you from this community. You will not be seen with anybody or associate with anybody. If by any chance you are seen with anybody or they associate with anybody, death awaits the person. Go now and never return to this community, not even in death. Go!
Delhi, go! 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 The community has been cleansed of evil. The community has been cleansed of evil. It has been cleansed of evil. Let's go.
They did not only banish me, but they took the life of the only man that meant the whole world to me. That same man has reconnected into your father, Madeke. And now I have sworn that nobody can ever stand on my way in taking what belongs to me. Not even you. And Yago.
Let peace be restored in Ebina's house.
The Savior is coming to cleanse the land. Aye, Ifegadima, the gods are wise. Ogenedu Arumeri Ifemelanio Akuko inafu Obidolubo Afufani nata sins of the past. But I know that gods are wise. The Savior is coming.